It's your boy, the Crypto Goon, and shout out to all my goons for pulling up once again. I appreciate you all as always. Now, in my last video, I told you all what was going to happen before it happened once again, and this time it's on XLM. Let's rewind that tape. We are in a correction currently. We are in the channel. I am looking for a breakout from this channel, and the best times to get in are on the lows. As you can see, we came off the lows that I spoke about in my last video, and then we had this large candle breakout. Now, one thing that I always talk about on this channel is patterns. The patterns show themselves. The patterns give you an idea of when to enter into the market. This particular pattern is called a bullish flag. This is not new. This is something that's been around in markets for a while. And like I said in previous videos, one thing that you should do is learn about these patterns. Once you're able to spot them, you can better position yourself in the cryptocurrency market, in the stock market, and in the Forex market, if that's what you do, to take advantage of great entries at great prices on great products such as Stellar Lumens. It's a solid project. I'm always buying, especially on down days. A lot of people never really realize that the best times to buy are when the market is going down. And when it comes to a bullish flag pattern, it looks as if it's bearish to the naked eye, to the average person, to the people that are providing liquidity. However, those of us that are trained properly and that know the game know that you can take these and use these patterns to your advantage, especially in this case. So we went from about 32 cents and we popped up to about 45 cents. And pretty much on the day, that gives us a percentage of about 1% or so. So that's about, as far as in numbers wise, 32 cents to 45 cents. So a little bit over 10 cents is about 12 cents or so, right? 13 cents. That's a pretty decent gain, especially if you have the capital to capitalize on that. But it's okay. If you missed it, it's perfectly okay, because guess what? The bull run is just beginning. As you know, it is the beginning of January. We have a new administration moving in. So we are definitely going to see more. And starting tomorrow, January 3rd, is when the crypto-friendly congressmen and women that were elected start in office. So we're going to see more plays like this. Now, XLM, obviously, if you've been here for a while, you know XLM is one of my favorite as far as the technology itself. For those that don't understand it, XRP is sort of a, keep it simple, a cash app for institutions. But XLM is a similar technology, but for individuals, customers, businesses, smaller businesses to use to send money fast and efficiently. OK, just to keep it simple. I just want to keep it simple for anybody out there, especially anybody is new, but definitely look into Stellar Lumens, who backs the technology and what the technology is all about. Because at the end of the day, the best gains are going to be in the best projects, especially long term. This is also called a correction. So there will most likely be more to the upside. Anytime we have a correction, we have more to the upside. It is a part of the psychology of trading cryptocurrency. We can even go back. Let's go to the monthly chart. Let me size it up correctly. And if you look at, right, anytime there's a correction, there's always upside. Anytime. Some people call it a bear market. That's fine, but there are corrections. It is the market correcting itself. Normally, corrections are a certain percentage of an up move. OK, so as we can see here, we saw this correction, up move, correction, and now we're looking for another move up. Now, in the long term time frame, OK, as far as the amount of capital that I'm putting in personally, I'm not your financial advisor. This is edutainment. This is a triangle pattern. We are in a larger triangle pattern on the monthly. OK, now with these triangle patterns, it is possible that we could have a move down before we have the very large and crazy breakout to the upside. Now, what is also possible is that this is the breakout to the upside. OK, and either way, I'm dollar cost averaging as always. Anytime we hit the lows, especially the lows on the week, I'm in there. The lows on the month, I'm in there. That's just me. I have that risk capacity, right? Because I'm in XLM Stellar Lumens for the long term, but I still love great entries like the one we had. And as I said in my previous video, when we came down, if you aren't using TradingView, I suggest you get it. The link is in the description. I set up an alert here This alert trading view, you can set it up to either make a noise on your computer, it can send you a notification, it can send you a text message that the market has reached your entry price. And that is when, okay, let me log into, whatever exchange I'm using and place my buy. Now, here's another thing with trading view. If you have, they accept certain exchanges to buy and sell cryptocurrency. So I know for a fact that they have Gemini, right? I don't really use Gemini that much because they don't have that much of a selection. But Gemini is one you can use where you can actually set it up so the trade automatically kicks in when it reaches the level that you want it to reach. And I'll show you all that. If you come down, you click on trading panel, it shows you the exchanges and brokerages that they have linked. So as you can see, Gemini, they got Bitstamp, Oanda, they have some cryptocurrency trading. They're fairly new because they come from Forex, but there are a lot of them in here that can give you access to cryptocurrencies. And instead of placing a line and send you a notification, you can actually set up a pending order so that when it reaches that level, it automatically purchases the cryptocurrency for you. Okay. Now let's head over to the crypto bubbles. And of course, on the day, we're looking good. It's a great start to the new year, obviously, right? And as you can see, what's going the craziest is Fartcoin. They're up 28.4%. Fartcoin, I mean, it's a meme coin. I call them shit coin. It's not really my thing, but that's okay. There are a few others here, that I'm in. AVAX is one. IOTA is one. Solana. There are a few others. Of course, XRP, we're up 3.8%. Now, let me just throw this at you all again, and it's something that you should pay attention to. The total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, is in a triangle pattern that is bullish. Okay, so what this means is the altcoins are headed into alt season. Okay, now we always compare this to Bitcoin dominance chart. The Bitcoin dominance chart is in a bearish pattern. Okay, so as Bitcoin loses dominance over the entire cryptocurrency market, the altcoins go crazy. And as you can see, we are in the beginning of the loss of the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so I just wanted to bring this to you all. I appreciate you all tapping in. Again, it's the Crypto Goons. Shout out to all my goons. Make sure you all keep gooning, making smart decisions, investing in smart projects. And you know the vibes. Crypto Goon out.